Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to put submission symbol in Microsoft Outlook. So let's started. At first open your document. Firstly going to the insert menu option and click for the symbol option and click for the submission symbol. Then submission symbol is the select and going to the home menu option and then size and then color sense is the then NSUS color. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.